check out our newest feature release. This is called the Connect on Key Press, which is now been added to the Call Connect workflow action. This new feature enables seamless connection between salespeople on your team and leads through automated call initiation upon a key press. Now you can easily connect with leads by simply pressing a key. You're going to be able to boost sales productivity by automating call initiation, and you'll be able to increase lead engagement rates by facilitating immediate connection. Imagine a small business owner managing a sales team using our CRM. With the Call Connect on Key Press toggle, sales agents can effortlessly initiate calls with leads, ensuring no opportunity is missed and enhancing the overall efficiency of the sales process. So this is in the workflow area, so let's go ahead and create a workflow. To do that, you're going to click on Automation in the left-hand navigation and then in Workflows. From there, you're going to go ahead and click the plus Create Workflow button. As always, you can start from scratch or use a template. Now, what you're going to do as far as those actions go, when you add your action in when the time is right for the Call Connect, you're going to start typing in call. And that action is actually called call. So go ahead and select the call action. Now, let's go ahead and access the advanced settings within that action. You're going to now see this connect call after a key press. What is great is now when your salesperson receives that notification, that call, letting them know that there is a immediate lead, and now they can simply press a key and they can be immediately directed to a conversation with that lead. Once they press that key, they're immediately going to be connected to that phone number, so they're immediately dialing in without needing to look up a phone number or anything else. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.